Hi, my name is Luke, and this is how to install songs onto a flash drive. You may want to install songs onto a flash drive in order to back them up from your machine or to bring them to a friend's house to share. In any case, the way you do this is first navigate to the song or music that you want to share, right-click, scroll down to where it says Copy. Next, make sure that the flash drive is plugged into your computer. Click on the Start bar and navigate over to Computer. Here you should see the flash drive installed, as well as the size and space available. If you don't see this appear, click the refresh button at the top of the screen. Next thing you want to do is double-click to enter the flash drive, and then right-click and scroll down to Paste. Windows will now begin to install the song onto the flash drive. Another method of doing this is to highlight it and then use a keyboard shortcut by holding Control and then pressing C for copy. Go back to the flash drive and then hold Control again and press V for paste. And that's it.